Today, we are going to be taking a look at the LEGO Guardians ship, also known as the LEGO Benatar. I don't know why they didn't just call it the Benatar. They just called it LEGO Guardians ship, and we are going to be taking a look at that today. And here's my hand for reference. It's a really good size set. This thing is awesome. For the minifigures, we've got Peter Quill, also known as Star-Lord. We've got Groot in like adult or teenage form. I think this is teenage form Groot. Then we've got Thor with the axe instead of Mjolnir. And then Rocket the Raccoon, one of Thanos' minions. And one of my least favorite characters of all time from the Guardians trilogy, Mantis. Get that out of here. She is annoying, and I do not like Mantis at all. So, but the rest of the minifigs are cool. The best ones being Peter Quill, Groot, Thor, and Rocket the Raccoon. The Thanos minion is just mid-tier, but let's take a look at the backsides of all of these minifigures. And there's the front of them. They all have back printing, even Thor, if we lift up his cape there, hanging by the cape. Yes, back printing, amazing. Dual molded legs on Peter Quill, amazing. Short legs on Rocket the Raccoon, along with the tailpiece. And there's Groot. Maybe he can pilot the thing, I don't know. He probably can't, he's kind of dumb too. Enough about me roasting the characters about how some of them are pretty dumb in the Guardians of the Galaxy. We've got the ship itself here. As you can see, the front opens up like so to a cockpit that can sit two minifigures, and there's some control levers right there anyways. And I don't know if I can get the camera to focus back in there. There we go. You can see the hallway, a coffee machine, and all that fun stuff. This closes right on up. This also lifts open here, but I just found it easier to access if you just lift this all up. And I think that's why they designed it that way. And then if we make our way to the top, you can see this panel here. This does lift up. If you just grab it or pinch it, it can work. It's gimmicky. I found it easier just to lift open the cockpit and then put my finger through here and then just poke it out. Yeah, that's the easiest way. But we got an interior space. It can sit, there's some seats down there, and then yeah, a little hallway, coffee machine, donut on either side. Over here, I think this is supposed to be the original door. How you get inside the ship is through this piece here. And as you can see, it's not 100% asymmetrical. There's scuff marks that are different on either side. Also in the back on these fins, you can see like the scuff marks are kind of placed like that hatch. So it's not 100% asymmetrical, but it's pretty cool. And then the wings, it's like a bird. So you got the wings, like feathers almost. They close up, pull out, and you can look kind of underneath here at the belly of the ship. We've got big thrusters and mini thrusters on either of these. And what's fun is you can go for a completely folded up design. So folding these up, folding these in. So I accidentally started pointing the camera off in a bad direction when I was demonstrating this, but you can just see here on the ball joints that these fold in like this. This one goes underneath, this one on top, and either side does this. So you can fold everything in using this method here. And then you've got this sleek design here. And then even these fold in like this. So it's a super sleek ship now. Oh yeah, and also these fins here can be pushed up. As you can see, there's like some turbo chart, or I'm not sure what I'm even talking about. There's like a blue. I'm guessing it's like a blue flame. You know, they have like those in Star Wars too on like the back of the Millennium Falcon and such, where it's like blue boosters and they're super fast or whatever. They get you around the galaxy. It's not real. It's all fictional. And it has this very sleek design. And you can also see the posability of the display stand that it kind of leans off towards one side. Yeah, there's the side of it. Oh, and a fun thing about the mechanism here is you can see like these hydraulic things when you lift these out. They like move. Let me get a good example of that. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. But there's like the sleek design of it. And I'm going to go grab the Justifier so I can kind of hold it and get another scale comparison to this. And so here is another large ship, the Justifier, for like a scale comparison. You can kind of see, I need to lift my hand up here. They're roughly the same size. It's wider, probably the same length here. Get a good comparison there. Oh boy. These are just so massive to get on camera together. I'm going to set this down right over here. So here is kind of the scale of them next to one another. You can kind of get a scale for reference here. I love this one. It has color, where Star Wars sets are either gray and black or gray and like bluish gray. And I don't know. It's all gray. Good looking ship though. But this Guardians ship just stands out. And I have it folded up right here, and I'm going to go back and switch it over to the like more opened up design, which I personally prefer. And when I mean opened up design, I mean all the fins and flaps opened up so that it's like more of like a less aerodynamic, maybe when they're coming into landing mode. I personally prefer this look better. I think it looks great this way, great displayed this way. So yeah, there's the opened up design of it. Very cool. And the Justifier for scale reference. It's a very large set. I would expect this to be like UCS scale, but this is like a play set. It's not even like an 18 plus. I think it's a 12 plus set. And then you got, bad camera angle again. Sorry about that. We've just got this gear here, sitting on a Technic stand for the full rotation of this ship. Absolute great display piece for Guardians fans. And I'm a fan of like sci-fi ship builds. This was very fun to build. A lot of fun to build. Kind of repetitive because you have to build, you know, the same thing for either side. So I can see how that can be like, I don't want to build the same thing again. But I personally didn't mind it. But yeah, you just have to build the exact same parts multiple times and you get through it. It was super fun to build personally. Very fun. Very few stickers on the set too. There's a few stickers here and there, but yeah, not too many stickers. And overall, very fun build. And I like this set. Minifig selection is okay. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we'll see you guys next time.